हाय वेद। तो आप क्या बना रहे हैं यहाँ पे बाबा आज?
Puppy playtime person.
पपी प्ले टाइम पर्सन। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। इसके लिए आपने सबसे पहले क्या लिया? प्ले डो, राइट?
Yep, a circle head.
हाँ हाँ, सर्कल हेड।
And a worm body.
ओके
So you just need to do it thin enough. And then you put the head on.
ओके।
And you put the head on. I'll make the grab pack meanwhile. And then you get legs. Well, at least, then you get hands. You just put them like this.
ओके
You get the hands, you put them on.
ओके।
Then,
2 हैंड्स, आपने उसका एक हेड बनाया, एक बॉडी बनाई एंड 2 हैंड्स बनाए।
Now we have
तो
the
बच्चों, आदि वेदू ने प्ले डो लेकर सबसे पहले उसकी बॉडी रेडी की है।
yeah, it does. See? All you have to do is, and then you put in a grab pack. You put in a grab pack, which it looks.
Wait,
See, a grab pack.
or we should show them how to make the Lego grab pack.
दिखाओ
you
विद
just
या
need to put this, and then you get 2 hands, and then a leg for here.
A ginormous leg, and then that's it.
Yeah,
You
basically you need another leg, and then
There's nothing else except some dust.
उसको डबल कर लो, उसको डबल कर लो।
Yeah,
Yes.
dude. You
and
gotta
then you
work.
put this guy here, and
Yes.
then you get Poppy Playtime guy. With the
Puppy
Playtime
प्ले टाइम गाय।
And
वाओ,
you
सो पपी
Yeah.
प्ले टाइम गाय। वाओ,
Oh, that might have been painful for him.
uses the green hand and the red hand.
ओ वाओ, पपी प्ले
Playtime
टाइम
guy.
गाय। वाओ, क्या नाम था इसका?
Poppy.
Player.
प्लेयर।
Yeah, it's player. Okay.
It's funny.
Yeah.
His name's Player.
Yeah.
ओ वाओ।
But he's a protagonist.
ओ, क्या बनाया था आपने ये?
Poppy Playtime person.
पपी
Playtime person.
पर्सन। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच आदि एंड वेद, थैंक यू।